Hello students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are absolutely great. So students, as you all know that we have already completed this chapter, that is the sentence. Now in today's video lesson, what we would be doing, I'll be showing you certain sentences, right? The way we have to do our work. That firstly we must know that what is a sentence. So we must define a sentence. So for that, definition is very important. So what is a sentence? As you all can see, a sentence is a group of words that is complete in itself, containing a subject and predicate, right? Then there is one example. My father is reading a newspaper. So students, I hope you all know that what is the subject. In this sentence, my father is the subject, is my helping verb, reading is my main verb, and a newspaper is my object. Yes. Now next, what do we have? We have kinds of sentences, right? Firstly, whenever you are doing any topic, you must know how to define it. Then you must know how many types do we have, right? So here comes kinds of sentences. In kinds of sentences, we have done declarative sentence, right? In declarative also, we have affirmative sentence and we have negative sentence, right? I hope you all know that what is a negative sentence. Can you see that? So students, I hope that you know in declarative we have two. We have affirmative sentence and negative sentence. What are affirmative sentences? This we have already discussed. So students, affirmative sentences are those sentences which are simple statements, right? Which tells us about the fact, right? Which gives us some information, okay? And what about negative sentence? Negative sentence are those sentences which shows not, never, neither, do not, does not, right? So all these sentences are negative, okay? For example, he is not my friend. So when we talk about negative sentence, we have she doesn't complete her work on time. Can you see? You must know the examples well and you must know the sentence structure, right? You should know that whatever sentences we have, how to imply that, right? How to use them. Then after affirmative and negative sentence, we have interrogative sentence. So I hope you all know what are interrogative sentence. Yes? So what are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask questions, right? And how can we identify them? Obviously by question mark. Can you see here the examples? Where are you going? Are you tired? Is it raining? Question mark. So punctuation marks are also very much important. And students, I hope that by now you all must know that how to change these sentences, right? You must be knowing that how we are changing these sentences. And you should be able to identify them, and then you should be able to change them as well. In the previous videos, what we have done, I have already explained you through my video lessons. In this video, we are just saying that how to write these in a note, right? You must make notes. Whenever your teachers are giving you any lecture, you should do it like this way, especially in grammar topics, right? You must know what is the definition, then what are the rules, right? What are the examples? All these things play a very important role. Okay, students? Let's see this one. I hope interrogative sentences are clear to you all. Now we have imperative sentences. So what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences in which we show command, right? In which we show command, request, order, advice. See the example. Be quiet. Can you see the exclamation mark? Students, although we have used here exclamation mark, but it doesn't mean that it is my exclamatory sentence. I have used it because I am giving order, right? That be quiet. Then turn left and go straight. Full stop. But otherwise also it's my imperative because what I am doing here, I am giving and suggestion that you have to turn left and go straight. Do not repeat it again. Can you see these sentences? I hope these examples and definitions are clear to you all. So now what are these? The next one is exclamatory sentence. Now what are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which are used to show feelings and emotions, right? Whether you are sad, you are happy, you are surprised, you are shocked. So all these things we can show through exclamatory sentences. So humans can show their different type of moods with the help of exclamatory sentences. Okay students, is it clear to you all? So just see the example. I won the first place! Exclamation mark. You're happy, right? So you can show this through this example, through the exclamation mark. It's a surprise. How majestic the tiger looks! Exclamation mark. So students, I hope that you all have gone through my previous videos in which I have already explained you about these sentences and about the transformation of these sentences, that how do we translate these sentences in different forms. So this was just a recap video just to show you that how we make notes in grammar. So students, make sure that whenever we are talking about grammar, you have to make notes or key points like this. First, you will define whatever topic we are writing, whether it's a sentence or whether it's a noun, then different types, and we will explain those types. Then we will do examples as well. Is it clear, students? I hope it is clear to you all. Students, I hope you all have completed your assignments which I am giving you regularly. If you have not completed, so please keep on completing your assignments lesson wise, and apart from this, one very important instruction. Students, make sure that now you all will be doing your chapter wise self-assessment test, right? Whenever we will complete any chapter, whether it's from your course or it's from your grammar, there would be a 20 marks of test, right? There would be a test of 20 marks from the chapter, and that is your self-assessment test. Self-assessment means for your practice. So you have to do that test on a sheet. See, if you are not having sheet, it's okay. You can do that on pen pages. But make sure that you should do it on pages, and you have to keep it in a folder, right? So you have to make a record of your marks as well, and in all the subjects, make sure that you do it on sheets or on pen pages, and you have to keep it in a folder, right, for your own record. You should also see your progress, that in chapter 1 how many marks you have scored, then in chapter 2 how many marks you have scored, like this, so that you will know better about yourself. It's for your self practice, okay? So that you should know that what you know better and which are your weak sectors, okay? So students, I hope this is clear to you all. So students, now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, stay updated, keep on practicing your assignments and keep on learning. And yes, before going, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video.